What's up, folks? We are back, and guess what? I got an assignment, so me and Jessica are going to be taking off. We're going to be heading over to Illinois. So we got a couple projects we want to do for the truck to make sure we're ready because we do a lot of camping. We don't really know what the area is going to be like. So we're going to start off with getting my bedliner all fixed up because we got a little secret surprise for you guys coming. So let's just get to it. So what we have here is a 2017 Ram 3500 heavy duty. This is a Cummins Ison combination, and I just like to keep this thing really clean. I got a 3,700 pound payload capacity in the back for future hauling of our toy hauler when we go full timing. But I really love keeping my truck super clean, and that's why we're gonna go ahead and do this project. So if you look at my wheel wells, oh my gosh, I just keep this thing so nice. It's kind of hard to see, but I just love making sure that all of my stuff is in tip-top condition, and it's really important for me too because it's kind of therapeutic. This is kind of one of the things that I do in order to help me out when I've got a lot of stress going on and things of that nature. So that's what we're gonna do. This thing is gonna be all pumped up and ready to go for our trip. So yeah. So here is our first project for the truck upgrades that we're going to be doing. This bedliner was an aftermarket one put on after I bought my truck, and it's losing its luster here. It's really cramping my style. I love to keep my truck nice and clean. So to get ready for a nice new cover that we're going to put on this to haul the razor, we are going to go ahead and wash this thing up, tape it off, clean it, and then we are going to go ahead and refinish this bedliner. So let's just get to that. All right, guys, so I've done most of the masking already. If you didn't know, if you've never done anything like this before, the masking is probably gonna take you the longest. I like all my stuff to be covered. I don't want any overspray at all. But unfortunately, while I was doing all the masking and putting it over the cab and things, I realized that there's still some dirt. I don't know if you can see it really well in the camera, but there's still some dirt in some of these really tight crevices. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I have this toothbrush. I'm gonna do a little bit of fine detailing here around the corners, and then I got this one little streak right here that needs to be cleaned up as well. So I'm just gonna do a really light cleaning. I'll rinse it off really quick, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blow dry it dry. See all that dirt we got right there? We wanna get all this dirt up as much as possible so that gives the paint the best opportunity to stick. I think it's pretty good right now. So I did all that already over there, got that whole line. Everything looks pretty good so far, so let's just go ahead, clean this up, and get her dry. All right, everyone, so we got everything masked off. Everything is ready to go. I just wanted to do a real quick before video to show everybody what this is gonna look like. The sun is really starting to kind of get in the way of my videotaping here, but so it looks all right. We got the puck system all cardboard covered so that way we don't mess around or put any overspray into our gooseneck or our fifth wheel prep. The wind is starting to pick up again, like I said, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So here we go. Oh man, what a difference already. Look at that. That looks so good. I'm just so excited about how this is gonna turn out. Oh man, I love it. I'm gonna get a better shot over here for you all. Let's see. Yeah, look at how much cleaner and better that looks. It was totally worth it. It's cleaning up really well. I'm gonna do one more coat just to give it kind of that last touch and make sure I didn't miss any spots. So let's just go ahead and do that right now. Oh my God, look at how good this turned out, everyone. My goodness. This turned out way better than I thought it was gonna turn out, but it just looks super gorgeous. This thing looks brand new. It looks brand new. I cleaned up all the pucks. I put some UV protectant on it. Those turned out really good. I'm actually missing my middle gooseneck puck cover, so I need to get that. But other than that, man, like, look at all the shine. This thing looks super good. The LEDs are super bright in this truck, so at night I'm gonna turn it on, see how that looks like. But golly, I'm so happy. Look at all these clean lines that we got here. So overall, I'm really happy with our first step in getting our truck ready for our trip over to Illinois. So the second thing I'm gonna do later on in our next video, or maybe our following video, is we're gonna put LED light strips along all of our rails of our bed. So we're gonna do those LED lights. We're gonna put them on a magnetic switch here so that every time we drop this tailgate, the lights automatically turn on. They're gonna look really good. And then we're also gonna do a carpet here too. So I know some of you might've been thinking that I was putting just regular spray paint on it and it wasn't gonna hold up. But the truth of the matter is, because we're gonna be doing a lot of RVing now and a lot more camping, we're going to be able to have a kind of like a nice storage unit here. So we're gonna put a carpet on our bed so it doesn't scratch too much stuff up, and that's gonna be really important because we just bought a nice new generator. I got a super sweet deal on this Predator from Harbor Freight. So we got a huge super coupon in our email, and we picked this thing up today because we've always been wanting one. So we're gonna do an unboxing of our new Predator 3500 watt portable Jenny. So hopefully this thing can power up on our air conditioners on our RV. I am gonna do a video of that, so stick around if that's the kind of stuff you like. We're definitely gonna be doing a little bit more blending. We're gonna be doing some RV camping, razor riding, all kinds of stuff. So we really appreciate everyone tuning in. Thanks a lot for checking us out. Please subscribe if you want to see more of these videos, and don't forget to turn on your notifications.